Hey guys, welcome back to Tony's Phone Collection. Today we're going to look at the second LG AX8600 I have. Here's the first one. And this with Alltel. It's the original packaging and everything. I'm missing the owner's manual from this one as well. I'm going to take a look at the box real quick. Inside you get your little starting out software. Cell Top, which is service Alltel use for all kinds of things. Inside you get your phone. You also get the LG proprietary charging cord, I should say, not the port, my bad. You also get the battery and a LG proprietary to 2.5mm headphone adapter. Alrighty, on the left side you have your volume keys, your LG proprietary charging port. On the right side you have your micro SD card slot and camera key and voice command key. On the front you have your 1.3 megapixel camera, your front color display, and your front touch sensitive music controls. Inside you have a gray keypad that lights up white. It's a very flat keypad. There's the back. Alright, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video unboxing of the AX8600. And stay tuned for the next one.